What's up, YouTube? Today we have an Old Queen tool steel, and it is a gunstock jack. That bone looks great. The action is great. Pretty sure this is 440C. So I bought this with an unchallenged low bid of like 60 bucks plus $5 or so shipping. And it's basically, there's great. There are many opportunities, I feel like, with so many people pushed way up market, that it's one of those things that there's going to be opportunities that slip on by. And I can totally see why, with there's so much stuff going on in the cutlery world. There is a little gap. I think it's a little bit is right there, a little bit is right there, maybe some there. I'd have to get it out in the sun. It's not super tight. It's not super bad or anything though. I'll have to get my others out and do a comparison video. All right. I just wanted to get it waxed and on the channel real quick. Sure, it'll be back on soon. I want to touch back on some of the older stuff that I own. Yeah. That's what all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Hope you folks have a good rest of your day.